So I just got something in the mail that I've been waiting for quite a little bit. Let's open it. Yes. That is absolutely tiny. Way less than what I expected. This is what the propeller guards come in with their box, just a little bit bigger than that. Then we got the charger brick, paperwork, and we've got a bunch of batteries. Let's get this all out of our way and get this all together. Yeah, I don't like that angle. Now that's a lot better. So let's start by opening up the most important box. The paperwork. Super interesting. Let's get this guy opened up and see what the MAVIC Mini really looks like. Oh! Okay, initial reaction, that is tiny. Like, ridiculously tiny. Oh my goodness, it weighs like nothing. That is scary. Scary light. Like, it feels like it just feels cheaper than a toy, to be honest. Well, that's gonna be fun to try out. That's the charging case. Nothing too special. Cheap plastic. This is the remote. Actually feels really good. I'm kind of digging the weight of this. The antennas, they do their job. And a few more boxes. This is, I have no idea what this is. Ooh. Oh, these are the cables to connect the controller to your phone. This is a charging cable, this is another charging cable, and this is a screwdriver. Great. This is for the remote. So the little knobs, they go right on the remote. Okay, yeah, it's pretty fancy. I'll put that all back. You know what? This is all dirty. Let's clean it up. That's a lot better. And then there's one more little box, which has spare propellers. Those are probably going to come in handy. Okay, let's check out the other boxes here. Next, we have the batteries. With the Flymark combo, you get 3 batteries. Woo. Which is exactly what we get, 3 batteries. And just an empty piece of trash. Nice. Next up, the charging brick. Same old, same old. I mean, there's not much you can say. It's a pretty nice charging brick. Okay, last but not least, we have the prop guards. Wow, fancy. Rip it open. There's one side. And there's the other. Okay, let's open the MAVIC and get this whole thing going. That's fun. And that is the MAVIC Mini. Let's take it for a flight.